Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can tokenize the given paragraph into sentences and words, right? So what are tokens? Tokens can be defined as the individual fragments in a given sentence or a given paragraph. So it can be either individual sentences, it can be individual words, or even it can be individual characters, right? So now let's see how we can tokenize. So first of all, you have to import Nltk. In order to import this, you need to install Nltk. Okay, so how we have to do that? So let me just show that to you guys. If you just open command prompt and then type pip install Nltk, it will do the job. Once you install the package, now I have already installed, so it says requirement already satisfied. So I will not have to install it again. So what I have to do, once you install it, if you go to the Python console, you can import Nltk, right? So once you import Nltk, you need to download the entire data, or you can say corpus, right, related to Nltk. So how you can do that? You just have to say Nltk.download. If you execute it, it will open up a pop-up, right? So it should open up a pop-up, yeah. So you see here something like this. You click on the first and then click on download, right? Now I will not click on this because I already installed everything. Okay, once you click on all, you click on download, it will take a while, 5 minutes, maybe 5 to 6 minutes. Once it's done, you are good to use Nltk. Okay, so we imported Nltk and I have created a variable called as para, and this is some explanation about logistic regression, and I found this in a Wikipedia. So you can copy any sentences, any number of sentences or any para from the internet and then create a variable, and then you can use that variable for tokenization and other stuffs. Okay, so now let's see how we can tokenize this para into sentences and words, right? So now first let's see how we can tokenize it into different sentences. Okay, so in order to do that, what you have to do, there is something called as send tokenizer within Nltk. So I'm going to make use of that. So I will say sentences is equal to Nltk dot send tokenize, and you have to pass in the variable that you have to tokenize. So once you execute it, if you look at these sentences, you will see it's a list. The paragraph has turned into a list of individual sentences, right? And how many sentences are there? We can check it in this way. Length of sentences, it says we have total 6 sentences in it. So this is how you tokenize the given para into sentences. Now let's see how we can tokenize it into words. Nltk dot, for that we have to use word tokenize, and again you send the variable para as a parameter, which is a whole paragraph. Once you execute it, you will have the words in that particular sentence, right? So you can see it's a list of individual words. You can see all the special characters, the opening bracket, the closing bracket, the punctuations, everything, the full stop, everything will be treated as a different word, right? So this is the first step for getting started with NLP, right? So once you tokenize it, you can convert this in the form of some understandable numbers, right? So the next step is to convert this into numbers. Either we can use bag of words, TF-IDF, or we can make use of word2vec and convert them into a word vectors of different dimensions, right? So for this video, this is it. So you learned how to tokenize into sentences and into words. But before this, you need to install Nltk using pip install Nltk, and you need to download all the required packages for Nltk. Then you can work through the Nltk task without any issues. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye bye.